Here is the trap that catches smart buyers every single year. You do your homework, you research the brand, you read that it is generally reliable, you find a clean example with reasonable mileage, you buy it with confidence, and then, somewhere between 70,000 and 100,000 miles, something goes wrong that nobody warned you about. Not a small something, a catastrophic something, a timing chain that destroys an engine, an air suspension that fails completely, an electronic system so complex that a single module costs $3,000 to replace, a fuel pump recall that was only the beginning of a much longer and more expensive list. Today, we are exposing 7 used SUVs that carry a reputation for reliability, or at least a reputation for being desirable, while hiding a financial time bomb that only detonates after the warranty expires. Every pick comes with a specific year range, the engine code at the center of the problem, the documented repair costs, and the exact failure pattern that owners discover too late. If you are shopping used in 2026, this is the video you watch before you sign anything. Let's get into it. Number 7, 2018 to 2022 Cadillac Escalade. The Cadillac Escalade is one of the most desirable luxury SUVs in America. The badge carries prestige, the interior feels genuinely premium, and used examples from 2019 to 2022 often look like luxury bargains. What buyers miss is that the Escalade uses the same L87 6.2-liter V8 found in GM trucks. The same federal investigation into connecting rod bearing failures and crankshaft defects applies here too. Catastrophic engine failure, loss of propulsion, and 5-figure replacement bills are all documented outcomes. The Escalade also adds luxury-level repair pricing. When the massive curved display system develops software or hardware faults, repairs are dramatically more expensive than standard GM infotainment systems. RepairPal estimates annual Escalade repair costs at over $1,000 per year, far above average. Owning one out of warranty with the L87 engine becomes a serious financial gamble. Number 6, 2018 to 2022 Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas looks like a smart used family SUV. It is spacious, cheaper than Toyota and Honda rivals, and carries the appeal of German engineering. The issue is the EA888 Gen 3 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. Multiple lawsuits and owner reports document excessive oil consumption that can lead to oil starvation and internal engine damage before 100,000 miles. Beyond the engine, this Atlas generation developed a reputation for infotainment glitches, sensor failures, and recurring electrical problems. The 3.6-liter VR6 is more reliable than the 2. OT, but fuel economy suffers and maintenance costs remain higher than Japanese competitors. A comparable Honda Pilot offers a significantly cleaner long-term reliability record in the same price range. Number 5. 2024 Chevrolet Traverse AMD Buick Enclave. The redesigned 2024 Chevrolet Traverse and Buick Enclave immediately raised reliability concerns after launch. Consumer Reports flagged both models for below-average predicted reliability due to electronics issues, build quality complaints, and transmission behavior common to first-generation redesigns. This is not primarily an engine problem. It is a first-year platform problem. New electronic systems, software calibration, and assembly tolerances often create elevated failure rates during early production years. The important distinction is that the 2020 to 2023 pre-redesigned models have a much stronger reliability profile. The warning applies specifically to the 2024 redesigned generation. Number 4, 2015 to 2021 Land Rover Discovery Sport. The Discovery Sport looks like a bargain luxury SUV. It carries the Land Rover badge, offers premium styling, and is often priced below German competitors. The problem is the Ingenium 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. The 204 PT Ingenium engine developed a reputation for timing chain failure, turbocharger problems, oil dilution, injector failures, and catastrophic internal engine damage. Full rebuilds can exceed $25,000. Specialist rebuilders and used car buying guides repeatedly warn buyers about timing chain stretch and oil-related failures, especially in early 2015 to 2017 models. Owners also report persistent electrical problems and repeated recalls. Land Rover consistently ranks near the bottom of major reliability surveys. Once warranty coverage ends, repair exposure becomes extremely high. Number 3. 2019 to 2022 Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport sells the luxury SUV dream extremely well. It looks expensive, drives beautifully, and depreciates fast enough to seem affordable on the used market. That depreciation exists for a reason. Repair costs are extremely high. Air suspension failures alone can exceed $4,000, and the vehicle suffers from heavy depreciation, frequent recalls, and below average reliability ratings. The Ingenium P300 2.0-liter 4-cylinder carries the same timing chain and oil dilution problems found in the Discovery Sport, only in a more expensive vehicle. The better used choice is the older supercharged V6 or V8 models. Even then, air suspension and electronics failures remain major ownership risks. Number 2. 2020 to 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. The Mercedes-Benz GLC is one of the most popular luxury compact SUVs in America. It is also expensive to own outside warranty coverage. The GLC scores poorly in reliability tracking, with annual repair costs averaging over $1,300 per year. The 2020 to 2023 GLC 300 with the M264-2 0-liter turbo engine generated repeated owner complaints involving oil leaks, transmission issues, electrical failures, and check engine lights. NHTSA recalls include steering hardware defects, faulty fuel pumps, fuse box problems, and safety system failures. The biggest issue is not one single defect. It is the cumulative ownership cost that comes with Mercedes complexity once warranty protection disappears. A Lexus RX delivers dramatically lower long-term ownership risk at similar used prices. Number 1. 2015 to 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe and Kia Sorento. The Hyundai Santa Fe and Kia Sorento perfectly fit the looks reliable until it explodes category. The G4KJ 2.4-liter GDI and G4KH 2.0-liter turbo engines developed one of the most infamous engine failure records in the modern SUV market. Defective bearings, piston rings, and connecting rods caused oil consumption, seizure, and in documented cases, engine fires. Millions of Hyundai and Kia vehicles have been tied to recalls, lawsuits, NHTSA investigations, and fire risk controversies connected to this engine family. Resale values on affected models have been heavily damaged because the used market already understands the risk. The highest risk years are 2015 through 2019. Any Santa Fe or Sorento with these engines requires a VIN recall check, oil consumption inspection, and documented recall completion before purchase. The Kia Telluride's Lambda 2 V6 is a completely different and far safer platform. That is number 1, the most financially dangerous, reliable used SUV you can buy in 2026. Here is the pattern that runs through every vehicle on this list. None of them fail visibly when you are standing in a dealership. They look fine. Some of them look exceptional. The Escalade interior is genuinely impressive. The Range Rover Sport drives beautifully. The GLC 300 feels exactly like a $60,000 luxury SUV should feel. The problem is what happens at 75,000 miles. At 90,000 miles, at 110,000 miles, when the warranty is gone, the depreciation has hit, and the repair bill that nobody warned you about lands in your inbox. That is the trap. And the only way out of the trap is knowing about it before you buy. Subscribe if this is the kind of content you want more of. Real data, specific engine codes, documented failures, and the information that actually matters before you spend your money. New videos every week. Drop your current SUV in the comments and tell us, have you dealt with any of the issues we covered today? We read every single one. See you in the next one.